Why travel? Why travel up and down? Just why? Why not stay in the village? It all depends on how you see it. All you see is the heavy traffic at Hebal, the stress of going from one corner to another, or maybe it's the 4 to 5 hours wasted in traveling, or it possibly could be the hair that'll fall off from my head from all the hustle and bustle. Whereas I see it as the small yet bustling street next to my house where the vendors and shopkeepers have seen me grow. Maybe it's the shopping street at Jayanagar, though now modernized to a stupid parking lot, the bargaining and carrying the bags of flowers and vegetables while asking my mom to buy me everything I see. Perhaps it's the independence of sneakily cycling to Gandhi Bazaar and having a dosa at Vidyarthi Bhavan. Maybe it's the satisfaction of having a crispy and yet flaky puff from Valyad Bakery. It could be the silence of drinking cold badam milk from Asha Sweets on Malleshwaram 8th Cross. ಬರೀ ಹೋಗಿ ಸುತ್ತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಐ ಮೀಟ್, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್.